Not crazy, sir. I swear. My mom's right there. I'm not crazy, sir. I swear to God, I got common sense.
Ms. Garza, you ready? We need to do the PC.
How you doing, y'all?
Okay, so Mr. Robertson, guys, keep it down, please. If you want to talk, go outside. Otherwise, we're trying to handle business. Mr. Robertson, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews of the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
On June 19, 2024, officers were dispatched to a panic alarm at a 7-Eleven. The complaining witness advised that the defendant entered the business and stared at her before leaving. The complaining witness officers to be at the location, and upon contact with the defendant told officers he remembered being told not to return on May 24th, 2024.
Okay, Mr. Robertson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to go back to this location.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Look, you can pray all you want. It's your actions that dictate what happens. You now have 2 open felony cases. You think they're going to be happy that you picked up this new case?
Sir.
Right. They're probably, if my guess, at some point when judge gets wind of this, they're going to file a motion to revoke your bond and raise it up. So be on the lookout.
Sure.
What do you do for a living, sir?
I'm a clothing line, and I work with my moving company with furniture.
So how much money do you make a month doing those?
It depends on where I move. About 1,500 a month. Maybe like 1,000, maybe 1,000.
A lawyer, sir.
Sir?
Can you afford a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Oh, no, sir. I can't afford a lawyer. Oh, I can't afford a lawyer. I can't. I need a representative, yeah.
No. What happened with the assault of a peace officer, the retaliation?
Judge, what do you have in that case?
Say that again?
7-Eleven gas station.
Another 7-Eleven.
Yeah, complainant stated she observed defendant was criminally trespassed on May 10th, told defendant to leave. Defendant then told the complainant that she was a snitch and he was going to get a big girl to come whoop complainant's ass. Because she keeps calling the police on him, causing the complainant to be in fear of her life. Defendant stated he remembered officers telling him not to return to the gas station and that he returned to warn the complainant that no one likes her and that unknown people want to beat her ass. Officers detained the defendant and defendant kicked Officer Becerra, causing pain, spit on the officer, and told the officer, "I'm going to beat your ass."
Mr. Robertson, you've shown me continually that you can't stop going to the 7-Eleven. I'm now going to stop.
I'm not crazy, sir. I swear. My mom's right there. I'm not crazy, sir. I can go. I swear to God.
Are you mom? Come on up, mom.
I swear to God, I got common sense. I swear to God, I'm not stupid, sir. I would never go to this 7-Eleven.
Listen, your words tell me. Guys, keep it down, please. You tell me you're not crazy. You tell me you're not going to do this, but over and over, you keep going to the 7-Eleven. So how is it, Mom, how can we get him to stop going to that 7-Eleven? Because every time he goes there, he picks up a new case.
He is not going back. The young lady that he was talking to was a friend of one of his best friend's daughters. He was telling her, got it.
My only concern is you are not to go back. You have shown me that you will defy court order after court order. So I'm going to put an ankle monitor on you now so that I know if you go over there. And I'm going to tell you, you go over there, I'm going to make your bond so high, you're going to flip. Who's posting all the bonds? You? Do you realize that every time they revoke the bond, you are on the hook? That bond that he paid was $12,000 upstairs. If they revoke that bond, you're going to be on the hook for the $10,000. Be very careful. I'm telling you now, you violate this condition now that I see that you're going to do it, I'm going to put your bond 10 times that amount because I'm going to do everything in my power to protect every person of Harris County. I don't care where they're working. I don't care what they're doing. They work in a city dump. I'm going to protect them. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And if that means making your bond at $100,000 on a criminal trespass, I'll do it in a heartbeat. Do you understand, Mr. Robertson?
If your could also ask for the contact with the complaining witness herself. She is afraid that it will escalate.
Will you please reach out to her today or him? Because I don't know who it is. Let them know that he has an ankle monitor. Please let them know that I've made it a condition and that if she sees him even within 200 feet of the location,
Sure.
he knows what's going to happen. You now know not to go within 200 feet of this 7-Eleven. There is a diameter of 200 feet that you're not to go near it. And the ankle monitor that I'm putting on today will tell me if you go near it. You must charge this ankle monitor every day. If this thing, listen,
Yes, sir.
I know you have questions, but I want you to listen because you're thinking about what to say. And when you think, you're not listening.
Yes, sir.
I want you to listen because if you don't, whose popka is going to be in the pokey? Not mom's, not 7-Eleven. You, Mr. Robertson. You must charge this thing on a daily basis. If the battery dies, so do you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's your question?
Except about the power right now. I said that my house got broke. It's trees fell over. We still have no power.
Can you come here to Harris County and you can charge it where we send you to go get it done?
Yes, sir.
But there is no excuse. There is no excuse. And there's no excuse for you to go to 7-Eleven. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to have to put you in jail, but you have now darn terrorized these people. And let me ask you, is it fair for someone to have to live in fear?
Yes, sir.
It's not. It's not fair. All I want is for this person to be able to work and not be afraid. Oh my God, is he coming today? Jeez, I hope he's not coming today. That's what they probably live like. And you may think it's a joke, but it's not.
Your Honor, Tracy said they're unable to put the GPS.
When can we put it on?
Hopefully Monday.
Okay, then you got to be back here Monday to put it on.
Yes, sir.
They now know because they're going to reach out to this person at 7-Eleven today so that they know if you go back over there. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care what you have in your mind. If you go anywhere near this place, you know what's going to happen. There is no excuse. And I'm telling you, Mom, you know, it's nice that you're posting money for your son to get out. But the problem is that every time he picks up a new case, you're on the hook for all that money. And now that he's picked up this case here, it's very possible the felony court revokes both of his bonds upstairs. So be careful. That's all I'm going to say. If you ever need anything from me, and I'm happy to help you. As it stands now, he is not allowed to consume alcohol or any kind of illegal drugs. If you find that he does, call me, let me know, and I will straighten him out for you. Does he live with you now?
No, he has his own place.
Okay. You have any problems with him, let me know, and I'll straighten him out for you, okay? Tracy, no drugs. Needs to come back Monday to be able to get the monitor. And then if you can please reach out to the MAC so we can appoint him a lawyer. Do you have any more questions, Mr. Robinson?
No, Mr. Robertson.
Don't.
Thank you.
It's on you. It's not on her. It's not on Jesus. It's not on Allah. It's on you, Mr. Robinson. Find something else to do. Do you work?
Yes, sir.
Does he really work?
He does this.
What does this mean?
I got my clothes. I got it from Home
He
Alone.
makes t-shirts.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.
Does this keep you fully
Yeah,
occupied?
it do, because I gotta come up with new ideas. It does keep me, it does.
When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive, Mr. Robertson. So you need to find something to occupy your time. I don't know if this is a legitimate and true business, but look at your criminal history. If you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive, and you need to find something to occupy your time so you don't find yourself in the pokey again. Really. You can lie to me about the clothing business, but you can't lie to yourself. Right? All right. Good luck, sir. For now, I'm gonna have you sign a reset. After that, I'm gonna have to take you seat in the jury box while I find your lawyer, sir.